Welcome back. Today it's me Beto G. Today I'm going to be making Oman trap beat. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell below so that anytime I drop my new videos you will get notified. So when launching your FL Studio, make sure you put your cursor like this on your FL Studio app, right click on your mouse, then click open. But for me, I have already launched my FL Studio, so I just need to enter my FL Studio app like this. This is my FSDO app. I'm into my FSDO app. This is my channel rack. This is my playlist. And this is my mixer. So I will be working on my channel rack here when creating my beat. So it needs to be on party mode. When arranging your beat here, just switch it to song mode like this. So I need to put it on my party mode. And this is my channel rack. Next step is I'll click on add, then click on Kepler EXO. This is my plugin options, Kepler EXO. That's it. After that, I'll put my cursor like this, left click and hold it, turn the mouse wheel to channel 6. That's it. I've turned my mouse wheel to channel 6. After that, I'll put my cursor here on plugin options, then I'll click on preset. After that, I'll click on this one called Sita. After that, I'll put my cursor like this. As it's pointing on this Sita plugin, I'll right click on my mouse, then click piano roll. Yes, I'll be using this one now to program my Oman trap beat. As you can see, I've programmed the 1, 2, 3, 4 bar pattern. So the next step is I'll click on this select at the starting of 5. I'll just put my cursor like this as it points at the screen. I will left click and hold it, just drag the mouse wheels to the left. Which another way is you can say press Ctrl and A, then press Ctrl and B to copy right to bars number 8. That's okay. The next step, I'll click on this view channel rack, then I'll click on add. After that, I'm going to click on this one called citrus. This is going to be the bass melodies to create my Oman trap beat. The next step is I'll put my cursor like this on this empty space. As my arrow is showing up and down, I will left click and hold it, screw the mouse wheels to channel 7. Put my cursor like this, right click on my mouse, and then click piano roll. Click piano roll. Then after that, I'll click here draw. As you can see, very simple. From 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, my bass melodies. Just aligning it, draw a line from 1 to 2, from 1 to 2, right up to 8. Very simple. This is how you create beats on FL Studio. Don't forget to subscribe. Just hit the subscribe button for new beginner. So the next step, view channel rack. On channel 3 on the channel rack, I will right click, then click piano roll. I'll click on this draw. Now from 1 to 4, I'll start programming my hi-hat like this, like this. Like this. I'm in number 3 bars. This is my number 4 bars. Good. I've already finished creating my hi-hat from number 4 bars. So the next step, I'll click on this select. At the starting of 5, I will left click and hold it, drag my mouse to the left. Another way to highlight it like this is to press Ctrl and A, then press Ctrl again and B, which is the CTRL button, right up to number 8 bars. I'll click on this view channel rack. On number 4, I'll right click, then click piano roll. I'll click on this draw. That's it. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's it. Number 8 bars on my snare. Another bounce. Another bounce like this. That's okay. The next step is this is my kick. I will left click and hold it. I will left click and hold it, drag it to channel 1. Right click on my mouse, and then click piano roll. Click on this draw. 1. I'll click on this 2. I'll put 2 kick here. 1 kick here. 2 kick here. On 5, 1 kick. On 6, 3 kick. Like this. On 7, 1 kick. On 8, 3 kick. That's okay. View channel rack. This is my channel rack here. I'll click on this channel 1. Click on effect target. Left click and hold it on my effect target boost button. Turn the boost gain right up to 73%. That's okay. Now 6 and 7, I'll click on this view mixer. I'll bring down the 6 a little bit. I'll put my cursor like this, left click and hold it, drag it down. That's my 2 melodies. So I'll click on slot 1, click on this fruity parametric EQ2. I'll click on this slot 2, click on this fruity limiter. I'll just click on slot 3, click on this fruity soft clipper. That's okay. Now the 7, I'll click on this slot 1, click on this fruity parametric EQ2. I'll click on slot 2 and click on this fruity soft clipper. I'll click on slot 3, just click on this one called a frequency splitter. That's okay. Now 3 and 4, the 3 on our mixer, which is up. If you check here, this is a 3, which is a hi-hat, and if you check on the mixer here where we have to mix it, is 3. So I will left click and hold it, turn the mouse, just left click and hold it, just turn it up on my mouse. Click on slot 1, then click sound organizer. On 4, I will left click and hold it, turn it up, then click on slot 1 here, then click fruity soft clipper. That's okay. 1, which is the kick, I will left click and hold it, drag it up. That's okay. After programming everything, I'll play the beat because I really know what I'm doing. After programming everything, programming the intro, programming the outro, I'll play the beat now. So I've already turned on my kick. Make sure you learn how to use this function on the screen. I'll click on this view playlist. I'll click here. This is my playlist here. I'll put my cursor on where they have written pattern 1 on the screen. I'll right click on my mouse, then click split by channel. As you can see, everything we have programmed on our channel rack has appeared on the top left corner on our FS Duo. This is here the kick, the hi-hat, the snare, the sitar, the citrus, which are the sitar and the citrus is the 2 instruments, is the 2 melodies, while the kick, the hi-hat, the snare are the instrument, are the rhythms too. So I'm going to click on this draw, click on the kick, click like this, click on this hi-hat, just click, make sure you align, click on my snare, click on the first melody, click on the last melody, and click. After that, I'll click on my select. At the starting of 9, I will left click and hold it, drag my mouse to the left. When you left click, hold it, just drag the mouse to the left to highlight it. Which another way is you can still press Ctrl and A. I'll press my Ctrl and B several times to extend the beat. That's okay. I'm extending the beat. But if you can't see the clear view, just bring up your cursor like this. Left click and hold it, drag it to the left. When it ends here, put your cursor like this as it's showing left and right. Left click and hold it, drag it in front to see the clear view. After that, I'll click on this draw, put my cursor like this, right click to remove the kick, put my cursor on my hi-hat again like this, right click to move the hi-hat, put my cursor on the snare, right click to remove the snare. The next step is I'll click on this snare, I'll click on this select, put my cursor at the ending of this kick, left click again and hold it, drag it to the left. Which another way is you can still press Ctrl and E, then press Ctrl and B to extend the beat. As you can see, you can see the clear view. I'll put my cursor like this, left click and hold it, drag it to the left. Then after that, I'll put my cursor in front as it shows the right and left arrow. I'll left click and hold it, drag it to the right to see the clear view again, to see on how we are working. So I'll click on this draw, click on this first melody, the sitar, then click on this outro. Just make sure I'll just align it on the same line of the melody. Make sure it align. It should not be behind like this a little bit, so let's just align. I'll click on this citrus, click it here on the outro, make sure it align. After that, I'll just come on my hi-hat, put my cursor Right click to remove the hi-hat to create a different bounce when the beat reaches here. I'll put my cursor again on my snare. Right click to remove a snare to create another bounce when the beat reaches here. So let's go to our mixer. This is our mixer here, the 3. I will right click, then click create automation clip. This function is to control the volume automatically. On 4, I will right click on my mouse and then click create automation clip. Now let's check the automation clip. This is the automation clip, the 2 automation clip. Now I'll put my cursor where the first of all written part 1. I will left click, I will turn the mouse wheels, then see what you have already programmed. I'll click on this hi-hat, then just put it here. Put my cursor as it's showing left and right. I will left click and hold it, just reduce it a little bit. After that, I'll click here. At the starting of my outro, I'll click here. Let's go back to our mixer. It's time to swap left and right channel. So I'll just click on this button. As my mouse is pointing, I'll just click on these buttons on this button. Now it's time to reverse the polarities. I'll click on every button of the polarities like this. So I'm reversing the polarities like this. Now it's time to play the Oman trap beat from the start to the end, and see you tomorrow. But before you play the beat, make sure you switch it to song mode. Now this is my cursor on the screen. It's in PAT, which stands for pattern. Then we have to click on song mode. Now let's play the beat, the Oman trap beat from the start to the end. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you tomorrow. Let's go. Thank you so much for watching. See you tomorrow. Goodbye.